What's up, everyone? If you're a gamer, content creator, or someone looking for a new game to stream while earning rewards, then you're going to want to hear this. Crosswave has officially partnered with Idle Fantasy for an exciting new campaign featuring a massive 40,000 cross reward pool. That's right, players, and creators now have a chance to showcase their adventures in Idle Fantasy while competing for rewards through the Genesis Battlefield campaign. Let's break down everything you need to know. The Idle Fantasy Crosswave campaign is a creator-focused event running from June 8, 2026 until July 9, 2026. During this period, creators can stream, create content, and share their experiences in Idle Fantasy while earning points through Crosswave's AI-powered evaluation system. And here's something important. This system isn't just looking at view counts. Instead, it measures the overall impact of your content, including audience engagement, content quality, and how effectively you showcase the game. That means smaller creators still have a real opportunity to compete if they create valuable and engaging content. To help creators get started, the campaign highlights 5 major content pillars. First is Hero Collection. Build your dream roster, showcase your favorite heroes, and share your pulls with your audience. Everyone loves seeing powerful characters join the collection. Next is Anime Combat. Idle Fantasy features flashy anime-inspired battles, packed with effects and action, making every fight entertaining to watch. Third is Team Strategy. This is where you can really showcase your game knowledge. Explain team compositions, hero synergies, and strategies that help players win tougher battles. Fourth is Cyber Fantasy. The game's unique cyber fantasy world creates a visually appealing experience filled with futuristic technology and fantasy elements. And finally, epic boss battles. Nothing creates excitement quite like taking down massive bosses while explaining your strategy live to viewers. With a 40,000 cross reward pool, multiple content categories, and a system that rewards quality over pure numbers, this campaign offers an exciting opportunity for creators of all sizes, whether you're showcasing heroes, experimenting with team compositions, or challenging powerful bosses. There's plenty of content to create and plenty of rewards to chase. Just remember to complete your KYC before July 15th, 2026, because without KYC, rewards cannot be paid out. So, are you planning to join the Genesis Battlefield and create content for Idle Fantasy? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video and want more gaming updates, campaign guides, and creator opportunities, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.